This is Pioneer's MVH-MS310BT Marine Digital Media Receiver. This is an in-dash 1-DIN AM/FM digital media receiver with built-in Bluetooth for both hands-free calling and wireless streaming audio. The MVH-MS310BT is compatible with Pioneer's Smart Sync app. The Pioneer Smart Sync app works with your Android phone and your iPhone and can be used as a wireless remote control for the in-dash receiver. It's compatible with both Pandora and Spotify, operating through your phone. It can play back MP3 and FLAC files from a USB flash drive. The MVH-MS310BT is a digital media receiver and does not play CDs. As you can see, this model is about half the depth of a conventional in-dash receiver that has a built-in CD player. A shallow chassis like this can open a lot of interesting installation options. Let's take a look and see what's in the box. Okay, let's pop the flap open here. And we'll start off with the wire harness. Now, the wire harness here you'll use to connect power and ground and speakers and so forth. All of the electrical connections from the in-dash receiver to your boat. Next up, we have some 1-DIN radio removal tools. And next up, we have a Bluetooth microphone. Now, the Bluetooth mic here comes on a wire about 10 feet long or so for a very flexible installation. And let's open the flap here. And under the flap, we have the quick start guide. And please remember, you can download a complete copy of the owner's manual in PDF form right onto your phone from pioneerelectronics.com. And there's the warranty card. And now let's pull the receiver up out of here. There we go. The front panel of the Pioneer MVH-MS310BT has a large rotary volume knob right here. The backlit LCD display is visible in bright sunlight. Use this button to activate Pioneer's dynamic bass enhancer system. Use this button to make and receive hands-free phone calls. Radio station presets are across the bottom. The auxiliary input is here. The USB port here can be used to charge your phone and play back MP3 or FLAC files from a USB thumb drive. And of course, detachable face security. The Pioneer MVH-MS310BT Marine Digital Media Receiver is designed to operate in a dry location. On the back panel of the MVH-MS310BT, the AM/FM radio antenna will plug in right here. The electrical wire harness connected to the boat will plug in here. The built-in amplifier will power up to 4 speakers. The black jack on top here is to plug in the Bluetooth microphone included with the in-dash receiver. The jack on the bottom is for operating the in-dash receiver with the optional CDME300 Marine Remote Control from Pioneer. The optional CDME300 is a wired remote control that can safely operate in a wet location. And here are 2 sets of RCA outputs for operating external amplifiers. They can be set up as front and rear outputs or front and subwoofer outputs. And that is Pioneer's MVH-MS310BT Marine in-dash receiver and what's in the box.